I'm Anil Kumar. We are discussing quotient rule, and here is question number 17, page 98 from Nelson. It says, consider the function f of x equals to ax plus b divided by cx plus d, where x is not equal to minus d over c, with non-zero constants. That means a, b, c, d are not zero. What conditions ensure that each tangent to the graph of the function has positive slope? So we need to ensure that f dash x is always positive and find how a, b, c, d, these are related, right? So let's find out what is f dash x. So we know f of x is equals to ax plus b over cx plus d. So f dash x will be equals to, we'll apply the quotient rule, denominator square, which is cx plus d whole square. Derivative of ax plus b is a, so a times cx plus d minus ax plus b times derivative of denominator, which is c, right? So let us expand this and simplify. So when you expand, you get acx plus ad minus acx minus bc over cx plus d whole square, right? Now the numerator acx cancels, so we get ad minus bc divided by cx plus d whole square. As you can see, the denominator is always positive. Now from here we can say for f dash x to be greater than 0, that means non-negative, positive slope, AD minus BC should be greater than 0, or AD should be greater than BC, right? So that is the condition which will ensure that the tangent at any point on this graph will be positive, will have a positive slope. I hope that helps. Thank you.